Let's check out the Torpedo Cocktail Keg. The cocktail keg is offered in two super portable sizes, 1 and 2.5 gallons. When not in use, it can be stacked to maximize available space. The large, easy-to-operate hatch means this keg is suited to a wide variety of beverages, such as mixed drinks, craft cocktails, and even cold brewed coffee. The large hatch also makes it super convenient to mix your libations right in the keg. Made from the highest quality stainless steel. It's got a stainless steel down tube for maximum dependability. With its D-style Sankey valve, this keg is ideal for serving mixed drinks in bars, tap rooms, and other commercial settings. If you serve beer at home via a standard kegerator with a D-style Sankey coupling, this may be a perfect product for you. It also makes for an awesome line cleaning keg. Add in your favorite line cleaner, some hot water, replace the hatch, connect it up to your kegerator, and pull the faucet. Repeat, rinse with fresh water. Your lines are now clean. The Torpedo Cocktail Keg.